Hey guys, it's me. We're doing another YouTube video, and we are playing Lego City Undercover. I'm playing with my sister today. Say hi. Hi. We're still trying to get 100 subscribers, so let's try to still get them. Next video, I will do a new game. I just want to do a little game for now. So for those who want me to do restarting videos, I would. And we're still trying to get 100 subscribers, guys. Please let me get 100 subscribers. And you guys know the catch. 100 subscribers, you pick one of those games. So, yeah. Let's start this. I'm cold. Okay, and if anybody knows what witness means, comment down below what it means, because I have no idea what witness means. Stinky, what the? Alright. Uh-oh. These are get stuck. Like a traveler. Okay. Train travel. And do you have your controller? Okay. Oh, come on. I hate that. Well, let's see how long your batteries last. Yeah, my mom lost the battery charger, so yeah. My batteries are dying a little bit more faster than usual. Join. Again? She just read a newspaper when she just joined the game. Break it. Oh, I got it. You got it? Okay. What? Oh my gosh. Wait, guys. I need to give my sister some batteries. Alright, we're back. Like I said, the batteries are dying a lot more faster than we both thought. Wait. Oh yeah, I have 3 characters so far. Come on. Oh yeah, and next video we'll be playing the Transformer game. Yeah. So, comment down below which one do you want me to play. This game, the Transformer game. Well, you guys can only pick if we get 100 subscribers. So, yeah. Hey, we haven't been on this yet. We're just gonna be traveling around this world, and there's some cars. My sister is really bad at driving cars, huh? Yeah. I tried teaching her how to drive, but she keeps crashing. She couldn't even drive a bit. Trying to make you guys see both sides of this. Just only see my side. So. Taxi! Oh yeah, it's kind of like GTA, you get to steal taxis. Well, you can steal cars. So it's kind of like GTA, only a bit. Oh yeah, and you can make your own cars, which I will get to in a minute. Wait, which I will get to in a second. Not like the actual seconds. But You guys know what I mean. Yeah, you guys know what I mean, right? I'm driving on the wrong side of the road. Move. And you know that train that just passed me, like on the middle? If you even have like a car that's like for destruction and it's like so freaking strong, that train just can bust it in a second. This is so weird. And this is the golden bridge. No, and this is where we're going to be crafting the new car. After I get there in a second. Take that! Bah! I just love crashing into cars. So awesome. There's my lawn. Boom. No, I don't. Nah. Oh yeah, well, last time I played this, like, there's this car that just got, like, right in my way. Like, I was, like, driving right by it, and I stopped, cause, like that. Because, like, the car went, like, right in front of me. Like, dumb? That's just dumb, right? Why would a person do that? Well, if I was, like, right there. I know it's a Lego game, but seriously? Oh yeah, and I'm also not stopping. Get to the duplications. I need to get my car. And the color I usually pick is gold. I really love gold. This color of gold. Well, I think it's gold. So that's how you craft a car. And sometimes when you do missions, you unlock some new cars. Now let's go get my sister. Okay, now. Alright, this video I actually meant to get. Guess what I was about to do? This video was I know about traveling, but actually it's about crashing. I want to see how much cars I can crash, guys. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I know what you guys were thinking. Push the car off the hill. I'll try doing that right now. Wait. No! Oh, come on. I missed by like an inch. Oh my. I'm doing it too soon. Then you can go look at the other car. What? Oh, cool. No. Yeah, go that way, go that way. Good job. No! Guys, did you just see that? I did a flip. Flip over. Oh, that's a different thing. You don't tell me, get out of here.
Look, he stopped.
My sister is driving the train right now. See, guys? She's driving the train. I'm gonna try. Let's see if we can catch her. Let's see if we can catch my sister driving the train. Let's see if we can. Oh, come on. Over. No. Oh, so when you fall over, your car just starts to brake slowly. Oh, see, look, my battery's not gonna die. Wait, how was it almost dead? It was like at like 3 bars. Something's wrong with these batteries. Okay, this way. I'm coming for my sister, guys. She's better be ready to get, well, catch to get this. I'm trying to catch her, guys. She's at the bottom of the bridge. I know how to get there in fast, really fast. I need to go faster. Come on. I'm not driving on the road. I don't follow rules. I follow pro. What's to be pro, guys? Oh, come on. Get back here. My sister's driving the train. And we're trying to catch her. Oh, come on. Don't you dare. Don't you stop. Stop. Oh my. I told you to stop. Stop the train. Look. You can dust my mouth. Oh, seriously? We just went in circles because I'm just going this way. My sister left the game.
What?
Like this. That's my you left me.
After it came to me, no one's driving the train.
What? Oh no. Guys, nobody's driving the train.
Uncle.
You gotta get on. I'll get you on the train. Over. I just ran my sister over. Let's do it. Get on my seat. Yana's in my seat. Yana is in my seat. Get out of my seat.
Yeah.
I'll run you over once. Don't, or you will fall. I think the train's already.
No!
What? Oh my gosh. My sister just. The train! Go on, get on. Should we leave our sister? And my sister? Nah. Kill her. Get on. Get on. My car is smoking. No, not that type of smoking. It's like broken. Get on, Yana. Get on. Seriously? Fine. Take it that way because it's train. Yeah.
Hey, wait!
Get on.
Mommy.
No.
No.
Guys, my sister. Okay, that's it. I need to get that train. To end this video, I need to catch the train. I need this video.
Wait.
I can't. The train's getting way around.
Can you just wait a tiny bit?
Get on now, or I will get you.
No! You gotta be a
Let's
little
go
bit.
see this. Speed!
I'm gonna fall.
I don't care. This video is gonna end catching that train. Maybe. I think my car just farted.
Good can fart?
Well, it ran out of gas, so it farted. You want to hear it fart again?
Yeah.
Wait, first thing. See?
No!
See, it just farted. It made gas, like.
It stinks.
Yes, it better make it. Yeah, it better stinks. You want to hear it one more time?
No.
He just
Wait,
farted.
get the money.
I see the train. Get on. Let's go get that train.
Money.
Ah, the train.
No!
Guys, we're ending the video like this. I'm just kidding. My beautiful car.
And my money.
Alright, guys, I think we're gonna stop the video here. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed. Let's try to get 100 subscribers. And peace out, guys. Comment down below if you want me to play this again. And see you guys next time. Peace out.